back to Spring into Math 8. We're still in Chapter 8 on Lesson 2, and today's topic is linear equations with multi-step equations. Let's go ahead and get started. So far we've seen that when we solve for an unknown variable, we can take just one or two steps in the terms to get the answer correct. But now we're going to look at equations that have multiple steps in order for us to get down to the single answer for that equation. Here's a real-world example you could use in real life. You're going to host a holiday party. You will need to provide 3 cans of soda, 4 slices of pizza, and you have 37 party favors to give out. So altogether, you have a total of 79 items. How many people are coming to your party? This is a great tool to help you plan for the upcoming holidays. So the equation we got from that word problem is 3p plus 4p equals 37, or plus 37 equals 79. 3 sodas per person, 4 pieces of pizza, and they had those party favors listed at the end for 37. And we had 79 items. So let's go ahead and get started when we're solving this question. The first thing we need to do is collect like terms. We have a 3p and a 4p. We can add those together and get 7p. So now our equation says 7p plus 37 equals 79. The next step is to subtract 37 from both sides, which results in 7p equals 42. Now when I divide by 7 on both sides to separate that variable and that number 7, I get p equals 6. So you have 6 people coming to your holiday party. Here's another example. You just recently bought a puppy and need to make a pen for it so it can stay in it when you're not home. You want the length to be 12 feet and you have a total of 40 feet of fencing available. How wide can your pen be? To set up this equation, I put w plus 12 equals 40. Let's go ahead and solve that. Again, we need to collect those like terms. I have w plus w makes 2 w's, so I have 2w plus 12 equals 40. And you've got to get all those variables on one side and all those constants or numbers on the other, so I subtract 12 from both sides to keep our equation balanced, which results in 2w equals 28. Now we divide both sides by 2, and we get w equals 14. This means that that pen can be up to 14 feet wide based on the amount of fencing you had to start. Here's another example. 125 plus 20w equals 43 plus 37w. Now we have numbers and variables on both sides of the equation sign, and we need to go ahead and simplify this to get our answer. The first thing I did was move 20w to the right side of the equation. That collects those like terms and put them all on the same side. This results in the equation reading 125 equals 43 plus 17w, since 37w take away 20w results in 17. Then we go ahead and subtract 43 from both sides to move all of our constants or numbers to the left side of the equation. 125 minus 43 gives us 82. And we bring down that 17w, so our equation right now at this time reads 82 equals 17w. We divide both sides by 17, and in this case I did it ahead of time and I got w equals 4.82. Or we could say that w has an approximate value of 4.82. That's it for solving multi-step equations. Catch you next time.